We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram 3500, stock number 28267T. This is the Ram 3500 Laramie edition. Got the high intensity headlamps, front park assist, of course your chrome grille and chrome bumper. Do have the upgraded chrome wheels on it. It is equipped with the Cummins turbo diesel with the Ison transmission. This is a crew cab. Got the chrome door handles on it. Do have the trailer tow mirrors. Simply flip out, flip back in to give you more visibility if you're towing something. Dual rear wheels, brilliant black color. Does have the rear backup camera, 4 and 7 pin connector for your trailer, as well as your tow package, and rear park assist. This is a Laramie. We do have it equipped with the fifth wheel and gooseneck prep kit. Also wired in the back for your fifth wheel. Got the LED bed lights in it on each corner. And right from the factory, a spray-in bed liner. Go up here and take a look at the inside. It is equipped with the leather interior, power driver and passenger seat, and memory seats. Power windows and locks, tilt steering and cruise control, automatic headlamps. On these power mirrors, we do have this one equipped with the button that you can simply push and the mirrors will turn in on you. So if you're in a tight spot, you can just bring those mirrors in by pushing a button and pushing it back out. Got a fixed center console with storage areas, 2 different types of storage area. Plenty of room for various things as far as in the console. In the crew cab, you've got plenty of leg room in the back. There's storage compartments underneath the mats here that you can store some things in. The seats fold up and does give you a flat fold floor, as well as a light on the bottom of the seat that gives you a better view of what you might have in the back area. If you were just traveling and had the seats up, you'd still have a light there to show what's in there. It does have heated rear seats also. Stepping up inside, we can get a better look. Your center console's got your 8.4 touchscreen radio. That's also where your backup camera shows up when you're in reverse. Does have a trailer brake control. Is a 4-wheel drive system with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive lock, and 4-wheel drive low. Like I said, you got heated front seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Dual glove boxes. This one's also equipped with the power sunroof, and we also have a power sliding rear window in the back. On your center console, center stack there above the steering wheel is an information center that gives you information about the vehicle with various steps. Cruise controls there on the steering wheel column now. Once again, this is a Ram 3500 Laramie. Automatic transmission. Got the 6.7 Cummins diesel. Spray-in bed liner. Well-equipped truck. If you're looking for a nice 3500 to tow your camper or a work truck, this is stock number 28267T. Give Steve a call at 800-678-4188 for more information on this truck and any of the other commercial vehicles that we have.